Hello everyone, welcome to the new release of the player-owned stores script. So there's been some additions for the script this time, so we now have the ability to create store. You'll just put your identifier in config and then you'll have access. No need to play around with server config, and you can restart it live. So create store, you're able to set the point where they buy the store, where people are shopping, order point, etc, etc. We now also have a different type of store that you can select called a staff service store. For example, if someone owns Beam Machine, they would be able to stock up Beam Machine, and people can pay, or they can create a basket for the person to pay from by cash or by card. It also has a tipping system. So I've set up a regular store here. So we have the managed store like we did previously. So as you can see, we've still got the same banking page, fleet here. So you're able to purchase a vehicle with a certain amount of capacity. We can order stock, bison, select, let's get 10 water balls for the stock. That'll cost $100. Delivery mission will begin. Okay, so for the purpose of testing, the stock point is right outside the store. So we're going to collect the stock, deliver the stock. And then we can go straight back into the store. And we'll see that we have 10 water bottles in stock. So now I'm going to go to edit store. So we can, as an admin, you can view as owner. So you're able to view another player's store. You can edit it, take money, sell the store to someone else should it become abandoned, that kind of thing. So if we go to edit here, I'm just going to go all the way down to the bottom and delete this store. And we're going to run through the POS system. So I'm going to create a store. So staff service store, it's going to cost 100. Job requirements, so you're able to select it to that job. I'm going to leave that blank for now. But for example, if you wanted to set it as police or uwu beam machine, something along those lines, use stash. So with QB inventory or OX inventory, it will create a stash. If you put something in that stash that's on the stock list, when someone buys it, it will remove it from the stash. Same way if it's manually removed. So you're able to have actual physical stock now. Purchase point, as before. So you can see here there's no shop and order point because we've select a managed store. So POS point, pay point, stash point, delivery point, all as before. So I'm going to add water. Going to set a retail price of 110, and then we'll create the store. So we just need to go back through, make sure we got the points set. So the fleet point for where the vehicle will spawn, delivery point for where they'll deliver the goods, and then a pickup location for where they collect the stock from. And that's perfect. So now we'll save changes, and then we'll go over here and we'll set the purchase point where they purchase the store, and we'll set the manage point. So save changes there, and as you can see, it changes immediately and updates. So POS store, it's the one we created, $99. Purchase store. Okay, so in this instance, we're going to have to put some money in the bank account. We're going to have to purchase a vehicle. And go set a stock price. A new feature we also have in the POS type of shop is create deal. So you will be able to say a burger and a Coke will be $100, and it'll take it from the stock as required. So we've got the water bottle there. If we go to order stock, as we did before, we'll just grab 10 of those. We'll collect the stock, deliver the stock. Perfect. Obviously, you can set that location wherever you want. Most likely going to be a warehouse, something along those lines. So POS system will be the person who works there. So they're going to have the UI come up. They're going to add, let's for example, 2 bottles of water. So we'll create a pending cart. So when we go to pay here, so now we've got to review and pay. So it'll come up with the player's name, so who created the basket, so they know who the employee is, and then they'll also be able to add a tip to the employee. So for example, 20% tip, $40, apply the tip, and then they can pay with cash or by card. So you'll see at the top right now, because I'm the one who created the basket, you'll see that I got the $40 tip. So that is the major overhaul of the script. We've fixed some back-end errors and fixed a lot of smoothness with the UI. There was some parts that were laggy. Another feature we've added is the real estate. So if I go to the real estate area, let me just grab the real estate coordinates. In fact, we can view it from here actually and show you that. So store purchase office, you're able to now place down a image of the store and a purchase point. So if you guys have a real estate store in your city, you'll be able to place it in there. People will be able to view what stores are owned. I just haven't added images in this case, but the images do work. So that is the total of it. Thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe, like and comment, as it helps me get out to a bigger audience. Thank you.